Hello, hello, One Hot Biters. Welcome back today. Happy Thursday. Today we're gonna make something delicious. It is low in calories, of course, you know me, but it is so full of flavor. We have to know here that that's what we pride ourselves in, is full of flavor, low in calories. Not always low in calories, but today we're low in calories. So we are making a Dutch baby. Those of you that have never seen or made a Dutch baby, they're beautiful, puffy, almost like a pancake. And we're gonna top ours today with fresh strawberries and chopped pistachios. A little zest of lemon behind these. So let's get our topping ready first. We want our strawberries to marinate a little bit, and then we're gonna make our Dutch baby. Also, real quick, I want you to know that I have a 10-inch cast iron skillet in the oven while the oven is preheating at 450 degrees. A quick little history on the Dutch baby, which is basically like a Dutch pancake. Originally started back in the early 1900s, and it was a German pancake is how they made it, and they made them super small, and you just sprinkle powdered sugar and squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over the top. And over the years they have evolved into these giant, puffy, gourmet, all the toppings you can imagine, wonderful breakfast, dinner, snack, lunch, whatever you want. So let's get making that. Before we get going today, I want to thank you all so much. I wanted to plan this awesome special 500 subscriber video, and honestly life has just been crazy and it's been rolling ever since. So I want to say thank you all so much for being here, being supportive. I couldn't be more thankful enough for those that support me continuously and those that drop in and out and support. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for 500. And let's keep making some awesome stuff because our tummies don't have time to be waiting for that sort of stuff. Let's get some awesome food cooking. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below and give me some thumbs up and some likes. And I absolutely love your comments. I will respond to them all. So anyhow, thank you again so much for being here and being so supportive. It makes my heart so happy. So Dutch baby time, let's do this. So we have a quart of strawberries that we have quartered. Those are all done. We're gonna sprinkle 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar over the top of our strawberries. Zested a lot of lemon rind here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take half of that, so about a tablespoon, and we're gonna put that in here as well. And we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna mix this together and let it sit. Okay, we have all the strawberries covered, and we're gonna just set that aside. Okay, let's make our batter. We want 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a cup of flour, our 2 eggs, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of our lemon rind, 1 tablespoon of butter, melted, and 10 tablespoons, I know it sounds weird, of milk. Okay, we're gonna mix this together. You can use a blender or you can use some muscle. We're gonna blend this till it's fully blended. Okay, we've pulled our very hot cast iron out of the oven. I put a little cooking spray in it. Now we're gonna melt some butter in the bottom here. About 1.5 tablespoons. We're gonna add our batter. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, hot out of the oven. We're gonna top with our strawberries. Sprinkle with our pistachios. Voila. There you have it, One Hot Biters, a Dutch baby. So I've cut off a slice. It's beautiful. It smells so good. And we're gonna have a bite. So let's see here. Whew, almost hurt myself. That is happiness on a plate. Got the crispy, soft, hard to explain, of your Dutch baby. The strawberries are sweet, and you got the little crunch of the pistachios. This is something you're gonna wanna make. So there you have it. Thank you again so much for being here. You're not gonna wanna miss Monday because we're making classic Chicago dogs on the grill and peppers from the garden. So stay with me. I will see you Monday, and let's have some ballpark Chicago hot dogs. Anyhow, you guys have a great day. I love you all, and I will see you Monday.